This final project is for CSE 205, Arizona State University. Our group members are Stephen Cesario, Mudit Arora, Atharv Dhoge, and Pranav Mitra. In this final project, we have had to make a shopping cart, and we made around 15 classes. And main.java is our driver class. Now let's run it. So we can see that it is asking for the username and password first. Since our database is empty, so we need to first create account. So when we click on create account, it the two options comes up. Either you are an employee or manager, or you are a customer. So let's just first click on customer. Let's just take any random name. Let's just project and bot, and the username also project bot, and let's take password as hello world and email as project.bot.com. And let's just take Arizona as the address. Now let's click on the create account. So the dialog box comes and shows up, and it says your account has been registered. So now when we click on login, we credentials, and the because the data is being saved. Now let's just do for the employee also. Let's take any Karen Smith, Karen, and let's do the password as COVID-19. Let's take Karen and COVID.com, and position as manager. So once we click on create account, it shows up this. Let's just imagine we left out something. So it one dialog box comes up saying please fill all fields before continuing. Since our database has been done, let's go to login now. Let's do the first do the customer thing. So our customer was project bot, and the password was hello world. So we are logged in the shopping cart now. Now let's just uh, do some shopping. Let's take one phone, and we have to add to cart. It is going to the database. Let's take a laptop also. I want to buy a bag too. Let's take this quantity as 5. And this. What else? We can take a calculator. Let's take 2, add to cart, and let's take watch. Let's take 3. So we are done with the shopping now, and let's just check out. So it says your order has been placed. Your total amount is 3296. That is for the customer thing. Now let's just log out. Let's run it again. Now let's just consider with the employee thing. Let's just try writing incorrect password. So let's try to log in. So it says account does not exist because it is not in the database. So let me. Now we are logged in as employee or manager. You can see there are a bunch of products items, so we can either or edit that by we have the like we can edit this thing. Let's just take 10 and like 5 and like confirm changes. So it does change the data structure in that. If you want to add any item, so let's just say 17 mouse, say 15 quantity, let's take 25. Let's try to add item. It's a if it is an integer, so that's why it wasn't adding. Now let's add to item, so it added in the data structure. Now let's go back. Once we click to pen, the pending orders shows up. Now these are the things that the customer did. So the confirmation is still pending. So the employee and the manager has the ability to change and edit that. So let's just edit this. And let's just take this also as confirmed. Now let's go to back to page, and this is the done. Now let's just take the database now. You can see the database of an employee. It has been recorded for customer also. Oh, sorry. It has been recorded. And for the shopping cart, you can see these are the items which we did. That's all for the final project. Thanks for watching.